If you truly want to enjoy cinema-like explosive audio experience at home, where dialogues are razor-sharp, bass is chest-thumping, and the surround is fully 3D immersive, then today's video is made just for you because today we are going to look at the market most premium, most powerful home theater soundbars that can literally turn your living room into a mini IMAX theater. And yes, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button because this is where you get real, honest, and premium quality audio reviews. So let's begin. If you are looking for a premium soundbar that looks compact but can compete with any big soundbar in performance, then Yamaha SRC20A is that model on this list, which quietly impresses with its sound. Inside the small soundbar, you get a built-in subwoofer and passive radiators, and believe me, you don't understand its bass by looking at the size. You understand it by listening to the sound. Whether it's explosion in movies or deep beats in music, it delivers every low frequency, tight, controlled, and premium. In the premium segment, audio clarity is very important, and Yamaha does this job in an excellent way. Clear voice mode isolate the dialogues and make them crystal clear. Even after being compact, there is no compromise in connectivity. HDMI, optical aux, you get everything with a simple plug and play setup. Whether you place it under the TV or wall mount it, the design is so minimal and premium that it easily blends into any modern setup. So if you want a premium compact soundbar that doesn't take much space but gives output like a large 2.1 system, then Yamaha SRC20A must be on your list. Its buying link is in the video description, you can check it out. Friends, when it comes to high-end premium soundbars, finding a device that truly replaces at home theater is rare, but the Sennheiser MBO Soundbar Plus is exactly the monster, a true flagship 1-bar 3D audio experience. The biggest specialty of this soundbar is its MBO virtualization technology. It measures your room's acoustic properties and creates a virtual 7.1.4 surround sound bubble, meaning no extra speakers, no messy wires, yet the sound literally feels like it's coming from all around you. Whether raindrops, footsteps, or aircraft flyovers, every effect feels so realistic as if you are sitting inside the scene. This soundbar has 7 precision drivers and built-in dual 4 subwoofers, which together deliver a total 400 watt output. Bass is deep and punchy but never overpowering. Dialogues are razor sharp and highs are super clean. Watching Dolby Atmos movies honestly becomes a whole new experience. Connectivity is also future-proof. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Apple AirPlay 2, Chromecast built-in, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect. Every platform plays your content instantly. Controls are also next level. Remote Sennheiser Smart Control app, web interface, and Alexa built-in. You are also get custom EQ sound mode, voice enhancement, and night mode, so you can fine-tune the sound exactly the way you like. Design is extremely premium, clean, elegant, and proper flagship finish. And the best part, this single soundbar is so powerful that you don't even need extra rear speakers. Yes, you can add the MBO sub to take the bass to the next dimension. Sennheiser MBO sub is an 8-inch high excursion subwoofer with a 350 watt Class D amplifier. Its bass is so deep and powerful that it goes down to 27 Hz, meaning you feel the bass more than you hear it. Whether explosion, EDM, or action scenes, this subwoofer gives the room a shake-like impact, that too without distortion. So if you want an ultra premium all-in-one soundbar that gives true 3D surround, 30 bass, and studio grade clarity, then the Sennheiser MBO Soundbar Plus is quite literally the best in the world. It's expensive, but the experience is so insane that going back to normal soundbars becomes almost impossible. Its buying link is in the description, you can check it out. So if you want to take your home theater experience to true luxury and cinema hall level, then let me introduce you to Sonos Arc Ultra and Sub 4. This combo isn't just a soundbar and subwoofer, it's a 9.1.4 Dolby Atmos immersive system that turns your room into a mini theater. Sonos Arc Ultra comes with Dolby Atmos and Sound Motion technology, which lets the sound travel around you and literally from above. For ultra clear dialogues, you get speech enhancement, so every line sounds crystal clear. 6 custom transducers, including upward firing speakers, create true cinematic surround in movies, music, and games. Now let's talk about the bass. Sonos Sub 4 comes with dual Sonos engineered drivers that deliver chest-thumping deep bass. Whether explosions or drum beats, the bass feels perfectly tight and punchy. Together with Arc Ultra, this combo makes every scene feelable and immersive. You can also use Sonos Arc even without an extra subwoofer. It delivers very strong bass. Both Arc Ultra and Sub 4 are wireless and connect effortlessly by Wi-Fi. Whether Sub 4 is on the floor or in a corner, bass remains balanced and clean everywhere. Sleek sculptural design and premium matte black finish give it a luxurious look. So if you want true Dolby Atmos 3D surround, ultra clear dialogues, and deep immersive bass, then the Sonos Arc Ultra and Sub 4 combo is the ultimate upgrade for your living room. Link is in the description, please check it out. If you want to turn your living room into a true cinematic powerhouse where every dialogue is razor sharp, every explosion is felt in your chest, and every scene literally shakes the room, then this combo is made for you. Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar and Bose Bass Module 700. This is not just a sound setup, it's a luxury home theater experience. Look, I'll tell you honestly, you can enjoy an amazing cinematic audio experience even with just the soundbar because it already delivers very powerful bass. But if you want to enjoy real theater like bass, then you can purchase its subwoofer separately. First, let's talk about the soundbar. It comes from Bose's top-end lineup packed with Dolby Atmos and Bose True Space technology. Together, they make audio not only come from the front but also from above, behind, and all around you. So you can get a 360-degree spatial audio bubble, 6 premium transducers, and 2 upward-firing dipole speakers. Literally fill your room with sound, and its AI dialogue mode perfectly balances surround effects and vocals. Now let's come to the real monster of this combo, the Bose Bass Module 700. This wireless compact subwoofer comes in a premium glass top finish, and looking at its build quality, you instantly understood that this isn't a box, it's a bass engine. High excursion driver and quad port technology deliver deep, thunderous, distortion-free bass. Friends, individual both of these are powerful, but together they become a beast-level premium system. The soundbar gives crystal clear mids, vocals, and 3D high effects, and the bass module adds that theatrical depth that brings real impact to every scene. This combo isn't just a sound system, it's a luxury home entertainment upgrade. Yes, the price segment is premium, but if you want no compromise audio, the best of Bose experience, then this combo is honestly on another level. Its best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. If you want to bring real cinema level impact to your living room, then just a soundbar is not enough. You need that deep powerful bass which doesn't just sound but can be felt. And to take this game to the next level, Sony's new Bravia Theater Bar 8 HTA8000. When paired with Sony's SASW3 wireless subwoofer, then magic happens. HTA8000 already gives you 360-degree spatial sound mapping, IMAX enhanced Dolby Atmos DTS:X, and an 11 speakers acoustic architecture, meaning the room literally becomes a virtual theater. Sound moves all around you, movement comes from above, dialogues stay razor sharp, and effects feel insanely realistic. This subwoofer is not a normal subwoofer, it's a Sony tuned cinema grade 200 watt bass unit which is especially optimized for flagship bars like HTA8000. Its bass is deep, tight, and most importantly, it has that fidelity which prevents bass from becoming muddy. Explosion engine roars, drum kicks, every low frequency response feels clean, punchy, and cinematic. And since its wireless setup literally take a 10 seconds, HTA8000 already gives ultra clear vocals, 3D height audio, precise surround separation. But when SASW3 is added, the whole setup gets that cinematic weight. Synths get that thump, that rumble, that chest hitting bass, which is impossible without a subwoofer. Both devices have matte black finish, looks like the same ecosystem, clean, minimal, and premium. So if you are already getting a HTA8000 or planning to buy it, then the SASW3 subwoofer is must-have upgrade. This combo gives you premium Sony cinematic sound and 200 watt deep bass, which is honestly unmatched in this price segment. I'll give links for both products in the description, make sure to check them out. So this was the list of top 5 best premium soundbars. All these soundbars are premium, you can purchase any of these, all are the best, and I've added the best offer links for all of them in the video description. You can check them out and purchase as well. So if you like this video, you can like and share. If you want to ask something, you can comment, and to support me, you can subscribe to this channel. I really need your support. So see you in the next video. Thank you.